Shrimp, eggs, and tofu steamed together, super delicious, nutritious, and packed with protein. Hi, today we're making steamed egg with shrimp. First, get some large fresh shrimp. Add a little salt and white pepper to give them a base flavor. Don't forget to add some cornstarch. It helps keep the shrimp extra tender. Then marinate for 15 minutes. While waiting, crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Beat them thoroughly with a fork. Also prepare some room temperature water. Add a little salt and let it dissolve completely. Then pour it into the eggs. This helps the seasoning mix evenly. We'll also need a block of soft tofu. Slice it into thin pieces. It pairs perfectly with steamed eggs. Lay the tofu on the bottom of a plate. Slowly pour in the egg mixture and place the shrimp on top. Now it's ready to steam. Bring water to a boil. Place the dish on the rack and make sure to cover it with another plate to prevent water droplets from dripping in. Steam on low heat for 15 minutes. Make sure it stays on low heat or the eggs will turn uneven and bubbly. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat and let it rest for another 5 minutes. Now you've got silky, smooth steamed eggs. While it's hot, add a splash of soy sauce, a drizzle of sesame oil, and some chopped scallions. Time to enjoy! Let me take a first bite.
Ooh, incredibly delicious!
The shrimp are super fresh and juicy. The eggs and tofu are silky, smooth, and tender. This dish is so simple, delicious, and also nutritious. Please give a thumbs up if you liked it. I'm Ken. See you next time.